What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some spacers on my car. I ended up getting some 15s in the rear, 5s in the front. I have the whole stud kit from Motorsport Hardware that we'll be installing. Loctite, everything. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so obviously the first step is to take off your wheel. Get all these bolts loose. Make sure you take them off in a cross pattern, so like here, 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 and here. Probably should wear gloves if you have some. My hands are about to get really greasy. I sadly don't have any. But let's take your wheel off. So this is where the spacer is actually going to go, if you can come in closer. And the actual stud conversion that I got will go in these holes right here. You're going to want to put Loctite on the back, and then you're going to pop it in, and you're going to tighten it down to 25 pounds, and then you'll go ahead and put the spacer on over top of that, and then you can put the wheel on. All right guys, so we got our Loctite here. Just going to go ahead and chop the tip off. Try not to get this stuff on your hands if you can. It's really sticky. This is what you're essentially going to do, is you're just going to try and put as much as you can all over. You can see how I kind of try and evenly spread it through all the threads. And then make sure you hand tighten all of them first. Like this. As tight as you can go with your hands. And then you'll take your torque wrench right here. You'll have it torqued to 25 pounds. Stick this in here, torque it to 25 pounds, and then you just do that for all 5. All right, so you can see we're just putting the Loctite on the last one here. Tighten it by hand. And it'll stop, you'll feel it. You're going to take your torque wrench. This is a 5mm too, just so you guys know. And I have it torqued down to 25 pounds. So once you hear that first click, that's how you know that it's at 25 pounds. So all right guys, so we have our 15mm spacers right here. Make sure you place the side with the lip facing towards you, because that's what's going to grab onto the hub. It's going to be a little bit tough to put them on at first because they're supposed to be really snug, obviously, so they don't fly off. But you'll hear it click. You can see there's no gap here, and they have these little things right here, and this helps lock on. So they go on, and then you'll just do the other one on the other side, exact same way. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put our wheel back on. It's gonna be way easier because you actually have those bolts sticking out that you can literally just slide the wheel on, just like that. And then you'll go ahead and put these guys. When you're putting these on, just go ahead and put your 17mm on. It's almost like a hand thread. You just want to go until it's tight. Do that on all of them. So we got all the lug nuts on. I went ahead and changed my torque wrench to 105 foot-pounds of torque. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten all the lug nuts on here. And like I said, once you hear that first click, it's all good. And just how you took them off, try and put them on in a cross pattern as well. As you see I'm doing here. Oh, wow, that one's really loose. Just get them all snug before you really tighten them down. as we're on the front wheels, same exact process. Just take off your wheel, go ahead and apply the Loctite to all of the bolts, or studs I mean. We'll just do this individually to every single one, just like you did the back ones. Got the last one. Remember, make sure these are hand threaded. And then you're going to tighten each one of these down, and it's a 5mm Allen to 25 pounds. Use your torque wrench. Now, if you got the ones from Motorsport Hardware, make sure the logo is facing you. This right here is what's going to catch on the hub. So we went ahead and went with 5s in the front. Just like that, and then you pop your wheel right over top. Just lift your wheel right back on. Hold it with your legs, and then by hand make sure these go in. Now we're just tightening down. And make sure that that's set to 105 pound-foot of torque. I have to lower the car. Tell me when the wheel's touching the ground. A little better. That's all it needed, was a little bit of a fix.
It's perfect. 5's perfect in the front. Yeah.